It must be a dream. The Blac Monk funk has arrived on the scene. 95 worldwide crisis, so I entered the tempo, living off the herbs and the spices. Secrets kept, none to be took from me. For when my eyes open, I rub the Buddha tummy. Not to be took funny, really no, if you're curious, cause the Buddha nature way I live is so serious. Vibe with my tribe, always peace and love. It's the 3 to the 2 to levels up above. No emotion when drama gets hectic, cause I'd rather die before I get disrespected. So what would you do? I'm so very true to the Blac Monk funk, but monkey see, monkey do. And if monkey do, shy monkey must die. Question why? My Buddha nature reply is it ain't nothing but that Buddha nature. Do we do it that way? I wanna know why. It ain't nothing but that Buddha nature. Do we do it that way?
Let's take a walk through the valley underneath the sun, smoking up some Buddha, give you game like a father gives to his son. I just begun, so what will be the outcome? Will you go crazy for the drum? Yo, here I come, a harvest for your love like the eyes leave. But still I'm aggravated like a monkey, and still funky, pin the tail on the donkey. Black as a monk, so you fools can't bump me. So let's continue, cause there's more on the menu. Open up your mind, let me get through you, cause I can soothe you, just like the Buddha. So stop with your rocks and how to shoot down intruders. There's only one that takes your life plus your spirit. Brothers, can you feel me? Can you hear it? Smoking on the Buddha, grown by Mother Nature. Peace, love, and happiness till you play a hater. And for your traitors that's ready to attack, you better have more than just a gun for your back. Cause here comes the wind, Awol is his name, and knowledge and the wisdom is the fame that I gain. Buddha nature.
It ain't nothing but that Buddha nature. Do we do it that way? I wanna know why. It ain't nothing but that Buddha nature. Do we do it that way?
Don't you know I dropped the funk that can spread wide across the planet Earth's face, powerful and pure like my Buddha base. Guided by my second sight in mind, I see the unseen. Secrets of the hidden temple appear to me in dreams. So drop the track and get the Bozak as I commence to jack up. My skull and crossbones make you back up and crack up as you go crazy for the rhythms of my jungleistic. Descended from the Blac Monk clan, rugged ghetto-born black man, child of the water from a hostile land, born to teach and preach like a true innovator, bearing the knowledge and wisdom of my creator. The time is now black and now I'm back. GDA has been gone for too long and I yearn to see, but my eyes have been closed, my words mistaken, so watch out. The sleeper has awakened with the Buddha nature.